This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Lessa Miller. This sturdy 3-bed, 2.5 bath home is well built, energy efficient, and waiting for you. Current owner has replaced all bulbs with LED lights. Blueprints for home will be made available to the new owner. Solidly built with a poured concrete foundation walls. Gas range. Stainless steel appliances with a quiet LG dishwasher. Large eat-in kitchen with lots of solid oak cabinetry in the kitchen with lighting to see inside at night. Kitchen island. Home is well insulated with spray foam insulation and heavy batting. Utilities are low at an average of about $150 per month on electric and $30 per month on gas. Smithville provides internet service to this home. Wired-in security system detects smoke, heat, and when a window is open. There are two 50-gallon electric water heaters for lots of hot water. Mechanics, you will love this spacious 2-car plus garage. Lots of parking outside the garage too. There is also a storm shelter in the basement with concrete walls. A gas furnace keeps you warm in the winter. Deck goes out from the dining room. Insulated windows. Master bedroom is spacious with a walk-in closet and bathroom with double sinks and large shower. A large partially finished rec room in the basement would make a great space. Second refrigerator works and the seller is leaving it along with the work benches, fixed shelves in the garage and shelves in the furnace room.